Tammy Slaton's transformation has become one of the most inspiring weight loss journeys reality television has ever seen. From her earliest days on 1000 lb Sisters, where she struggled with mobility, breathing, and emotional well-being, to the present moment where she walks, talks, and glows with found confidence, Tammy's life has changed dramatically. Fans of the show have been captivated by her raw honesty, unforgettable one-liners, and touching moments of vulnerability and triumph. Now, after losing hundreds of pounds and reaching goals she once considered impossible, viewers are asking a new question: is Tammy Slaton getting her own show? Tammy's incredible success has sparked widespread interest beyond just fans of 1000 lb Sisters. Media outlets, social media influencers, and entertainment insiders have taken notice of her transformation and resilience. With this new wave of attention comes speculation that the TLC star may be stepping into the spotlight alone. Rumors are swirling about Tammy working on her own spin-off series that will showcase her post-weight loss journey, her evolving personal life, and the new goals she's chasing. While TLC has not officially confirmed such a show, multiple signs suggest that something big is brewing behind the scenes. In the latest season of 1000 lb Sisters, fans noticed a distinct shift in focus. While the show originally centered around the lives of both Tammy and her sister Amy Slaton, the most recent episodes have leaned heavily into Tammy's life. From her romantic ups and downs to her dramatic surgery journey, the cameras have followed her every step with intensified interest. Amy, while still present, has taken somewhat of a backseat as she navigates her own family life and new relationship. Many viewers believe this shift is a soft launch for Tammy's solo venture, allowing fans to become emotionally invested in her narrative before she officially branches off. Tammy herself has dropped hints. On several TikTok lives and Instagram stories, she has mentioned being very busy with filming schedules and working on something exciting. Although she has stopped short of confirming a new show, her choice of words has only added fuel to the fire. She's also interacted with fans online who have begged for more Tammy-centered content, often liking and commenting in ways that suggest something is definitely in the works. Her recent content has also taken on a more independent tone, focusing on her personal experiences, motivation, and self-growth. Topics that align perfectly with the potential theme of a solo series. Industry insiders have noted that TLC is no stranger to spin-offs. Other stars from popular TLC shows like 90 Day Fiancé and Sister Wives have gotten their own projects when their stories grew beyond the original format. In Tammy's case, her weight loss journey alone is enough to sustain a full series. But when you add in her romantic relationships, her newfound independence, her bold personality, and her commitment to inspiring others, you get a compelling package that could easily draw millions of viewers. Networks are always looking for relatable, resilient, and entertaining figures, and Tammy checks every box. Beyond her transformation, Tammy's potential new show could explore topics rarely addressed in mainstream media. Her series could delve into post-surgery life, the emotional and physical realities of massive weight loss, the rebuilding of identity, and the psychological aspects of body image and food addiction. Tammy has been transparent about the mental challenges she continues to face, and a dedicated show would allow her to tell these stories in depth. In doing so, she would not only continue to entertain but also educate and empower others facing similar battles. Tammy's personal life has also become increasingly interesting to fans. Since breaking away from toxic relationships and focusing on her well-being, she's redefined what self-love looks like. Her new fiancé, a man she credits with supporting her through the toughest parts of her transformation, may also play a major role in her possible solo venture. Their dynamic, positive, tender, and grounded in mutual respect, is a breath of fresh air compared to her rocky past relationships. Seeing their life together unfold on screen would add emotional depth and romantic interest that keeps audiences coming back for more. One major draw of a Tammy-centric show would be her newfound mobility and lifestyle. For the first time in years, she can do everyday things many people take for granted: walk without assistance, travel, cook, attend events, and live independently. Her solo show could document her re-entering the world with a fresh perspective, visiting new places, trying new foods, reconnecting with old friends, or even pursuing new professional opportunities. Her fans have been with her through so many dark moments. Now, they're ready to celebrate her wins alongside her. In recent months, Tammy has also begun to use her platform to uplift others. She's been more active on social media, offering advice to followers who are struggling with body image, depression, or health issues. A solo show could highlight this side of her, showcasing her as a mentor figure, a motivational speaker, or even an advocate for weight loss surgery awareness and mental health support. Her raw honesty makes her a powerful communicator, and producers could leverage that to build a brand that stretches beyond television into books, podcasts, or public speaking engagements. It's also important to acknowledge the business side. Tammy's popularity translates to profit. Her episodes consistently rank high in viewership, her social media engagement is massive, and her name regularly trends on Google and Twitter. For a network like TLC, capitalizing on her popularity through a spin-off is simply smart strategy. It also offers longevity to the 1000 LB Sisters franchise, which could risk losing steam if it relies solely on the original formula. Giving Tammy her own show not only keeps the brand fresh but expands it into new territory. As of now, TLC has neither confirmed nor denied the rumors. But the silence itself is telling. In the past, the network has remained tight-lipped about spin-offs until filming is well underway. It's possible Tammy is already filming her own content under a working title, with episodes planned to air after the current season ends. Alternatively, TLC may be testing the waters through web specials, social media teasers, or extended episodes that focus primarily on Tammy before making an off-air announcement. Fans are already speculating on what Tammy's show could be called. Suggestions range from the Tammy Slayton Experience to Tammy Unfiltered, Tammy's Journey, or even Tammy Transformed. Each potential title reflects a different facet of her personality: fun, bold, unfiltered, and untamed. Whatever the name, the tone is likely to reflect who Tammy is today: strong, self-aware, and unapologetically herself. The show would need to balance the humor that fans love her for with the deeper emotional storytelling that makes her journey so resonant. While many fans would celebrate this new chapter, there are others who worry about the impact fame may continue to have on Tammy's well-being. Fame can be a double-edged sword, and Tammy has already faced public scrutiny, online trolling, and emotional ups and downs. A solo show would bring even more attention and pressure. However, many believe that Tammy is in a stronger place now, with better boundaries, healthier relationships, and a clearer sense of purpose. If handled with care, a new show could empower her, not overwhelm her. Tammy's journey from being bedridden to living her life with energy and intention is more than just a weight loss story. It's a story of survival, perseverance, and hope. Her potential new series would not just be a follow-up to 1000 LB Sisters but a new platform to inspire millions. It would be a celebration of everything she has overcome and everything she is still striving to achieve. Whether she's learning to drive, adopting a pet, starting a business, or simply dancing to her favorite music on TikTok, Tammy has proven she can turn the ordinary into the extraordinary. For now, fans will continue to wait and watch, hoping that the whispers of a solo show turn into an official announcement. If Tammy Slayton is indeed getting her own series, it will mark the beginning of a new era, one that puts her in full control of her story. And this time, the world will be watching not to see if she can survive, but to see how brightly she can shine. As Tammy continues to rebuild her life, the world continues to cheer her on. Whether her next step is a solo TV show, a new career path, or simply living life on her own terms, one thing is clear: Tammy Slayton is just getting started. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe our Beyond 1000 LB's YouTube channel for more update news.